Hi, I'm Akshat Jain. I'm from Jaishi Berwal International School, Jaipur. I applied to the United States to a lot of universities such as UCLA, UC Berkeley, Emory, UNC Chapel Hill, and a lot more. I received my ED acceptance from Emory University, and I'll be attending that as a business major in the fall. My friend suggested me UniRely. It was at the time when I was looking for help towards my college application, and when I came for an in-house meeting with Vishesh sir, he really guided me through all the steps of the college admission process, and I really liked it. And I'm really grateful to the counselors at UniRely, the in-house counselors. They were available for me anytime when I needed help, and also especially my mentor for Emory. He guided me 24/7. He always gave edits to my essays, and it was really helpful. All I want to say to my juniors and everyone who's applying to the US is that be passionate towards what you're working for. Be genuine in all your application. Like if you're genuine, that's the best thing you can do for your college application. Thank you.